Navigating language. Understanding, head north. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the exciting world of English expressions and phrases. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, head north. Whether you're a language learner, a curious explorer, or just someone who loves to understand the nuances of English, this video is for you. Let's get started and find out not just what this phrase means, but how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Before we understand the idiomatic uses of head north, let's look at its literal meaning. To head somewhere means to move in a specific direction. And north, well, it's one of the 4 cardinal points on a compass, opposite to south. So, to head north simply means to go in the direction of the north. Imagine you're a sailor navigating the seas, or a hiker trekking through the wilderness. When you head north, you're moving towards the North Pole, guided by your compass. Now, let's shift gears to the figurative or metaphorical sense. In everyday language, head north can have an abstract meaning. It often implies progressing towards something better or improving in a general sense. For instance, if someone says, "My career is really heading north," they mean that their career is going very well, and they're succeeding. It's all about movement towards a positive destination, not literally northward, but symbolically towards a goal or a better situation. To help you grasp how to use head north, let's look at some examples. Financial growth. After changing our marketing strategy, our sales started to head north. Personal development. Once he focused on his health, his well-being really started to head north. Popularity. The new singer's fan base is heading north with every song she releases. In each case, heading north signifies improvement, growth, or an upward trend. Be careful not to confuse head north with just physical movement. While it can be used literally, its metaphorical use does not necessarily involve physical travel. Also, do not overuse it. This phrase is best reserved for situations where a clear improvement or advancement is happening. Thank you for joining us in today's journey through the phrase, head north. We hope this exploration helps you navigate not only the cardinal points on a map but also the rich landscape of English idiomatic expressions. Keep using phrases like these, and your language skills will surely head north. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more language learning content. Until next time, keep learning and keep heading north.